Hello students, let us continue chapter number 1. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is Sikh community. The reforms of 19th century had influenced the Sikh community also. Taking inspiration from the reforms, Sikh established Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee for removing the evils that had entered in Gurudwaras and for better management of the Gurudwaras. Moreover, the Sikh established Khalsa College in Amritsar to impart English education along with religious education. Several schools were also established with the same objective. Now, our next topic is Parsi community. The reforms of 19th century had influenced the Parsi community also. In order to attain socio-religious reforms in Parsi community, a Parsi youth who had attended English education established Rehnuma-e Majdaya Sane Sabha in the year 1851. Dadabhai Navroji was made the leader of this Sabha. The Sabha had started a periodical, namely Rasta Guftar. The periodical boosted the reform movements and awakened the Parsis. Other leaders such as K.R. Kama and Behramji Mulberry also contributed in socio-religious improvements. Kama emphasized on propagating education, whereas Mulberry emphasized on women empowerment. Both of them opposed child marriage and encouraged widow remarriage. It was due to the efforts of Mulberry that in the year 1891 CE, the government framed a law under which a specific age for the marriage was fixed. Now the next topic is Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule was a well-known social reformer of Maharashtra state. In the year 1857 CE, he started a school for girls in Pune. He encouraged and also helped the widows to remarry. He challenged the dominance of Brahmins in the society. In order to inculcate confidence, courage and enthusiasm in the people, he established Satya Shodhak Samaj. Now, the last topic of the chapter, that is Thakkar Bapa. Amritlal Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bapa, was born at Bhavnagar in the year 1869 CE. He obtained a degree of engineering and started working with the government. He used to get a very good salary. In spite of this, on Gandhiji's advice and influence, he left his job and started serving the lives of downtrodden and marginalized people. Gandhiji established Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh. Thakkar Bapa served as a minister of this Sangh and gave valuable contribution for the upliftment of untouchables, that is Harijans. He made a notable contribution for providing relief to people affected by natural calamities. Thakkar Bapa established Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal. Under this mandal, he brought about a drastic change in the life of Bhils who lived in the deep jungles and hilly areas of Panchmahal. Thakkar Bapa and his companions freed the Bhils from the habit of alcohol and other evil customs and superstitions. Thakkar Bapa also opened schools for the children of Bhils. He encouraged people to spin the wheel and involve them in small cottage industries. As time passed, awakening and nationalism spread among the people, which connected them better with the freedom movement. Gandhiji's emphasis upon the removal of the untouchability improved the condition of people from the backward classes also. So student, I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.